Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Codes channel where we teach about how to make bags, motivational topics, and so much more. Today I'm going to be teaching on how to make this simple souvenir from the comfort of your home. So this is the tarpaulin. They printed this on tarpaulin. It is 12 by 14. 12 by 14 is the measurement. So you saw me trimming at the starting of the video, so I had to place the tarpaulin, the one they printed on the plain tarpaulin. Then I cut out exactly 12 by 14. This is the measurement for the big souvenir. Then the side is 5 by 41. 5 by 41. Then this is the handle. For the handle I use 14 by, that's the belt, 14. Then the stuff to hold the belt is 12. So this is me sewing now. This is how I'm sewing it. You could see that at the starting I had to sew the edge of the side first. So now this is me sewing. From here I mark out tiri, then put one of the belts, which is the handle, sewed down. Then tiri from the start again. Yes, so it's tiri, then I'll sew it first, bring it to this side, sew the second side so it can be firm. So I'm going to sew the center of, okay, before then, this is the back, which is the plain tarpaulin. I'm going to do the same thing, tiri from the start, put my belt, sew down, mark tiri from the edge again and put the other handle, then sew. So I'm going to sew like you can see now. It's very simple and very easy. So I'm going to sew the center because of people carrying heavy things, so it can be firm for them. So when sewing, make sure you use the same thread, that's the same color of the your belt. Use the same thread when sewing. So I had to cover my machine so that it can go smoothly. The reason why we opened the machine before was because we were using it for structured bags. So now that a souvenir is kind of giving issues, so I just have to bring out my machine plates, cover the hole so I can sew well. So this is the side. You could see I had to match down that side. There's no measurement, just make it plain like neat. So now I'm going to fold just where you saw the folding. So I'm going to use it to sew the body of the bag around, just like this. Is very simple. No need to sew the edge, just the way you cut it is just okay. That's how to sew souvenir. So you use the side of the bag, that's the side now, to sew it round. Fold that same place. You can see the way I'm folding now. I have to sew it first. I'll first of all sew it down. Sew it down. Remember the side is 5 by 41. Then I'll sew it completely. So this is it. So what I just did here is the same thing I will do for the back side. So I'll bring my back side, fold it, use the side to fold it. Go. Make sure you use top stitch so it will be firm, it will not just loose. Then I'm just doing just the same thing I did in the front, all around. Yes, this is it. You can see it. That's it. All around, just like this. It's just going round. Then when I get to the edge again, I will also sew, okay, top stitch. And this is the bag. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Bye.